Today we have a lot of sea animal toys. Let's learn their names one by one. The first one is a sea turtle. A sea turtle. A shark. This is a shark. A shark. The next sea animal is a sea cow. This is a sea cow. The next one is a shark. This is a shark. A little red fish. This is a red fish. A purple fish. The next one is a starfish. A starfish. A clownfish. This is a clownfish. A clownfish. A king crab. This is a king crab. A pufferfish. The next sea animal is a king crab. A seal. This is a seal. A whale. This is a whale fish. A seahorse. This is a seahorse. A sea lion. This is a sea lion.